Of the BVI Charter Yacht Show, Michelle and Hannah, and we are checking out Yacht Unwavering. This is Chef Rosie, and she is just blowtorching her little cake she's done here. She's put some nice Italian meringue on the top.
Looks like coconut and lime cupcake with Italian meringue.
Look at that. Delicious.
And she's in the BVI Blue Water
There's
Designer
a water
Contest.
competition. They've entered that.
Oh, Rosie, what is a blue butterfly pea flower?
So it is kind of like a tea leaf.
Yeah.
So it is, it's a flower which is then being dried. The water is actually pretty clever. So the water is also colour changing.
Oh wow!
Let me show you.
Oh yes, please. So this is the water that they're putting in a competition.
Blue?
Yeah, blue water.
Pour some into the glass. Then we'll add a squeeze of lemon.
Oh, it's a science experiment.
It's a science experiment.
Children, pay attention.
And now it is starting to turn purple.
Oh!
So there we go. We can compare the two like there.
That is
We've now got a purple and a
Oh.
Well done, well
Well
done.
done.
Thank you.
Rosie in a science experiment.
We're live, Adam. We're live. This is
Live.
Captain Adam.
No.
Captain Adams. These guys are both from the UK. And Unwavering is a
Six-pack.
Six-pack.
Sunreef 50.
Sunreef 50.
3 queen cabins. All beautiful.
And what
It's
year
very
is she?
beautiful.
So she's 18 months old, so she is a 2022 model. We've been on her for the past year.
Yep. We've just signed a contract for another 2. So
Brilliant. Congrats.
Off the presses. You
Consistent.
heard it here first.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh,
Try the water.
Yeah, please do.
Michelle, sample the water.
Interesting. A blue butterfly pea flower
There we
water.
are. Wonderful. Right.
An unwavering blue.
Okay,
So let's see this boat, Hannah.
so this is the main salon. So the guys have put out some of their swag here. The guest book with some great comments. And then we'll go down.
I will hold the camera for you to tour.
So we'll go down this side first.
And we're going to go down to the master on the starboard side. Oops, get the camera right here.
Oh, this side, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, so this is the master cabin. Each of the beds have got memory foam mattresses, which are very comfortable. So when you come on Unwavering, you get a hat and a t-shirt.
Oh, the hat matches your outfit.
Oh, look at
I know, right? Cute.
water bottle and a bag.
And these are queen, very, very big queen.
Yeah.
Big queen. Memory foam.
Looks so luxurious.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. And then tons and tons of storage everywhere.
And I think also, Hannah, it's such tall ceilings in
Yeah.
here, so definitely not a boat where you would feel claustrophobic.
Yeah.
I mean, look at
And it's
the
nice and bright.
yeah, look at
Got
the
lots of
brightness.
windows.
Maybe open the hatch for us. Can you do it or not? Maybe. Oh, it's a secret. Oh, there we go. See more light.
There we go. Lovely.
Beautiful.
Nice and bright. And then this bathroom is incredible. It's a massive shower. I'm going to
Okay.
get in it just to show you how big it is.
Okay. Here we go. Hannah is showering.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, hold on. It's so big I can't even get you all in. Wait. Okay, hold on.
Rainhead shower. Lovely molten brown toiletries.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, we like that.
And a bench. Looks like you could sit in there. That's a huge shower.
Great. It's like a sauna.
Well, you are in the Caribbean, so let's see what's in here. Oh,
More storage.
more storage.
Cool.
And big windows.
Like that. That's a nice touch. Cotton wool.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Score.
Really nice.
Let me
Really
see
nice.
the shower from this angle. I wonder if anybody has any questions. We're not sure. We're so new to live that would we even
there's some
know?
people watching.
Can we
There are
wave?
some
Are people watching?
There
Can we
are.
wave? Wave, wave. Oh. Excuse our technology. We'll be better next year, we promise. Okay. So now we're going to go off.
Look at this as well.
Okay.
Look at all this storage.
Sheesh.
There's a safe in there as well.
But we don't want you to bring that much stuff for the week.
No, you
but
don't need that much stuff. Not in the BVI.
You don't need that much stuff.
Not in the BVI, but
Okay.
yeah, plenty of storage. Okay.
Wow. Okay, so now we're going to go to another queen, and we're still,
this
this is starboard forward.
Again,
Wow.
beautiful bed. I love that headboard actually. That's nice.
I love that too with the lights behind it.
That's really pretty.
And again with the
Let's open it.
windows.
Again,
We have
perfect.
very bright cabin.
It's lovely. And like all the little touches as well. Everything's this nice blue colour in keeping. It's lovely.
Oh, hello H2 Luxury Yachts. Hi. Okay. Hello
This show is
everyone.
obviously a little bit smaller, but it's still.
Let's see if you can get in this one.
It's a really good size still.
It
Really
is.
good size. It's got the rain head again.
Oh, nice, nice.
So yeah, separate shower there. It's lovely. Beautiful.
And here we got the bed again with the swag. See, we actually were going to lay on the bed, but there's a sign that says don't lay on the bed, so sorry. We wanted to. Okay, so let's head back up to the galley and then we'll see the port side. Very spacious. And the chef is in the galley.
Where she's always living.
Yes, they never let her out.
We know how
Never
it goes.
let her
She
out.
likes being in there.
Oh, and can the guests, is it open through?
So we can run it two ways. We can have the front door open, and we can have all these doors open to create one big living area with lots of communal space.
Lovely.
Or if people want the air conditioning,
Okay.
which we sometimes find, then we can close this up and keep this nice and temperature controlled.
Can we
So,
see that open?
Uh,
Or is it
Okay.
gonna be
Yeah,
wet?
it's raining.
It's
Raining
raining.
too
Wet at the
much.
moment,
Raining
yeah,
too much
but
today.
the-
Okay,
That's
cool.
nice at Anchor to have a flow of
Exactly.
air.
But we can
through.
see that there is
Really
a
nice.
forward seating area.
Oh, and I like your canopy out the front.
The
It's
canopy.
shade.
When the
Yep, with
canopy's
shade.
there, the door.
Oh, I see.
I get it.
See it? Yeah.
I get it.
See, so when we're done, we will go for a walkthrough on the upper deck if anybody wants to see that. But let's go see the other cabin. Wow, very spacious. Okay.
Right, so that's crew quarters. And then
Ooh,
again,
very nice.
beautiful, nice and this. So this is like a mirror image of the.
And how tall would you say you are, Henry? You're
Oh,
about
I'm 5
5'6".
I wish.
Okay.
I'm 5'2" and a little bit.
Okay, so put your arms up. So what is the cabin clearance? It's what, 6'5", 6'6", 6'7"? I mean, they're tall cabins, right? Yes, wait, Rosie.
Yes.
Yes.
Well.
Yeah.
I'm 5'2", and there's definitely I feel
Yeah.
like
So
another.
yeah. Yeah. I
There's
mean,
definitely another bit on top there.
yeah. So very
we
nice.
have had
Yeah.
people sleep very comfortably when they've been well over 6 foot.
Okay.
Perfect.
So nobody. Yeah. I think
No one has had to bang their head.
a lot of people ask us if they'll
Yeah.
feel claustrophobic in the cabin, and
Oh, are these the
Oh.
chargers? You just
Yes,
put the
so
phone
they're
on.
all.
Oh,
so
here,
no-
get that closer to
No
see.
plugs, no USB ports. You just pop your phone on
Yeah.
there.
Oh,
But they also
that's
have
nice.
plugs and USB too.
Oh,
Because
I
we
love
all
their
have plenty
their
of devices
cups there.
these days, don't we? Tons of devices. That's
Very
nice.
Yeah, no
nice.
wireless chargers in all the cabins next to both sides of the
Okay,
bed as
that's
well.
Nice.
Perfect. I
And
like
how about
that.
this shower, Hannah?
Shower,
Same as the
so
other
that's
one?
the same as over the other side. yeah.
Okay.
Great size. Great
Nice. So you could definitely have guests over 6 feet here.
Yeah,
For sure.
I think.
I'm just seeing if anybody has questions. Not that I would know how to see that yet, but okay.
Okay.
So let's go to the upper deck. As long as we're on a roll. Oh, they're opening up. Oh, look at that.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look at that. Pocket
thanks,
doors.
guys.
Oh, very
Trying to
nice.
shut the door.
Oh, you guys are the
wow.
Thank you.
So you can
Wow,
really
so
see
let me
how it
come on
opens
here.
up.
Really nice for like dinner time.
And it's a super huge space.
So let's
That's
see
really nice.
how
So-
big this looks. Wow.
That's such a nice area.
So when we're
Nice.
on anchor and the guests are enjoying, we can't kind of see through here. I've just got the shade down in the back
Yeah.
to stop the rain.
Yeah.
But we've got this nice hydraulic platform here, so the tender
Gorgeous.
won't be there. That'll
Yeah.
be around the side.
Yeah.
This seat can flip round so we can sit and face outside.
Beautiful
Oh.
sunset.
So it opens it
Yeah.
up even more.
Okay.
And
That's
you can
really nice.
Lower the platform down so it's 2 inches from the water, and sit with your feet in the water. So that
Oh,
extends this
beautiful.
area out to the water as
Cool.
well.
Amazing. Did you enter the table competition?
I did. Fingers crossed.
Very nice, very nice. Cool. Have your little wine cups. Perfect.
So a huge feature on all these Sunreefs is the flybridge. So
Yeah.
let
Let's
us go up.
Let's go up. See what's up here.
I want to make sure I'm not like.
Ooh.
There we go. Now
This is
I didn't
nice.
just film up your skirt.
Look at these.
Oh
goodness,
wow!
This is such a nice space. Wow.
So we find guests love sitting up here when we're
Oh,
moving.
I've just got a wet bottom.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you're cooking. You have a wet
Never
bottom,
mind,
a
never
soggy
mind.
bottom. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh wow!
Really, really nice.
And it's all covered shade.
All covered.
Wonderful. We love that.
Yeah. Amazing views as we go along.
And as you guys can see, it's been a soggy morning here.
I think it's going to brighten up.
I think so, too.
It's happening. I
Yeah.
can see it.
We have faith.
We'll be okay.
Yeah.
We'll be okay. It's
This
always
is beautiful up here in a sink. Is there an ice maker
So
here?
we've got an ice maker
Oh,
and
okay.
also a fridge as well, like a drinks fridge.
Oh wow!
each
Check it
side.
out.
Ooh.
Oh, sparkling! Yes, there we go.
And then we have the same unit downstairs where we've got
Okay.
another fridge and a second ice maker.
Okay.
So lots of
Wonderful.
ice.
Lovely. And does this table open out?
And then the table opens out. Oh, it might be a little bit damp inside.
It's all right.
But yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, there we
Opens
go.
out to a larger table for your
Sundowners,
sunset snacks.
appetizers, lovely.
Exactly.
Cool. Very
Oh,
nice.
Hannah, this is one of my new favorite
Oh, I
boats.
love it.
And I love it.
Love all the decor.
Yes.
Love the decor. It's
Well,
really
let's go
nice.
see the bow of the boat
Yeah,
where that
see
lovely
what
seating
water
area. Soggy bottom.
I've got a soggy butt. Never mind.
Beautiful. Perfect for 6 guests, whether it be a family or 3 couples. Very nice. And here's another lounging area. Very nice. White cushions so it doesn't get hot.
Yeah. White cushions, white decks. Keeps it nice and cool.
Oh, and you have a shower. So when you
The
come out
shower
the sea,
is amazing.
Okay, hold on.
you can rinse
It
off.
is okay. Like maybe stand out the way, Hannah, because I'm gonna turn.
Oh,
Are you going to turn it on?
I'll
okay.
turn it on.
Oh,
Why
okay.
not?
Okay.
Woo!
Woo! Wow.
So good shower.
That's great.
Then we also have all of our Molten Browns in the cabins and here ready.
Lovely, beautiful.
And apparently
Wash the salt off.
Apparently that brand is hard to find here, so you did good. That's
Yes.
what we heard from another boat.
It is true. I buy in bulk.
You have to buy in bulk. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so we're gonna go up to the bow of the boat. Very pretty teak decks.
Yeah. Great. Nice shaded area. 3
Very
foot.
nice.
Nice that the trampoline is smooth.
Can this stay up while you're
So
sailing?
this doesn't go up when we're moving.
Okay.
As soon as we come into an anchorage,
Perfect.
I run to the front, pull it out. It takes me 2-3 minutes. I can do it by myself, and then it just allows this nice
Perfect.
shaded extra area here. If people want the sun, then of course I can leave it.
And just
But,
for everybody's where we were, that
Oh, yeah.
was the door that was open from the inside of the boat. That opens, and then that was the seating area I was looking at from the inside. So this is beautiful. Lots of water toys.
So we've got a flight board, which is one of the e-foil boards, which is loads of fun. So I can take people out and instruct them on how to do that. Some people stand up and surf and look really cool. Some people fly around on their belly with a big smile on their face.
As long as everybody's smiling, who
As long
cares,
as they're
right?
smiling, I'm happy.
And you've got this nice.
Oh,
We've got
Oh.
the nice little
Can I
sea
pick one of
scooters.
these
Yeah,
up?
please, of course.
oh, look at these. So you can whiz round on the
Ooh.
water. These are cool.
Very nice.
lovely. And these all look new, these fins and
So yeah, lots of new, various sizes, enough for everyone. Mask, snorkels, fins.
Perfect.
paddle boards, and then we've
Wow.
got some other beach toys as well if people want to go and have a little beach afternoon with sunshade and games.
Perfect. And you've got
Oh, paddleboards.
stand-up
Yep,
paddleboards?
sure.
Two stand-up paddle boards
Yep.
over there as well.
Okay, perfect.
And of course, the favourite, the pina colada ring.
Pina colada ring. That's what we
is
like.
in there.
Lovely.
Pina colada in hand, feet in the water, music playing.
Nice. It's great.
Well,
Great.
thank you so much.
Thank
No
you.
worries.
Thank you so much. That
I
was
can see if
wonderful.
anybody has any questions. Not that I know how to read them or if they pop up right now. Sorry. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Unwavering.
Thank
I'm
you.
coming in for a cupcake.
Yeah. Okay, and then I can. Ooh.